When you're short on storage space in your home, a simple over-the-door shoe pocket organizer like this can offer you a wonderful option to store your extra items. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 different laundry room items that you can store in this organizer that'll help you free up some extra storage space in your laundry room. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's dive right in. Today I'm going to share with you 10 different laundry room items that you can easily store in this over-the-door shoe pocket organizer that'll help free up space around your laundry room. Let's dive right into this. Number 1 is your stain remover bottles. Number 2, you can fit your dryer sheets in these pockets. Or you can store items like the dryer balls in these pockets as well. Now some people store their cleaning supplies in their laundry rooms. And some cleaning supplies that you can store in these pockets are things like your cleaning rags. You can also put your cleaning gloves in here. And those Mr. Clean sponges fit easily into these pockets. You can also fit some of your cleaning brushes in here. Or maybe a can of multi-purpose spray. You could also fit your Lysol in here. Or you can easily fit all your different cleaning sponges in these pockets as well. Okay, so those are the 10 laundry room items that you can easily fit into these pocket organizers that'll help free up space around your laundry room. I hope you found this list helpful. If you did, please let me know by poking that like button below. And if you haven't already done so and you like hearing about organizing tips, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and ring the bell so you know every time I'm uploading organizing tips or lists like this. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.